Welcome to my channel. This is Ayomide Graphix. In this video tutorial, you'll be learning the 5 easy steps to download and install fonts into Pixellab. Before we begin, let me show you where the font is and how to download it. You click on the A icon that's for alphabet, you scroll, then click on fonts as you can see. Then I click on that. Now we have fonts, my fonts, and recent. So the first one is fonts. So these are the default fonts that comes with Pixellab as you can see. When you download Pixellab app, these are the fonts that come with it. These are the default fonts, as you can see now. And the next one is my fonts. These are the fonts. These are the downloaded ones, as you can see. I've already downloaded some fonts already. I've downloaded some fonts. So these are the downloaded ones. So this is where your font will be when you download the font and install it into Pixellab. So that's it. Now the third one is called the recent. The recent font. These are the one you used recently when you are doing your design or when you are using the Pixellab app. So let's begin. Step 1. You go to Google Play Store on your phone, then go to search and type Z-Archiver. As you can see, Z-Archiver plays a major role in installing your downloaded font into Pixellab app. As you can see, that's it. I've already downloaded mine. Now let me explain what Z-Archiver is. Z-Archiver is an app used to manage compressed files on Android devices. It lets you create, open and extract zip, RAR and other archive formats. You can also add files to archive and protect them with passwords. And as you can see, it's developed by Z-Devs. Now let's go to step 2. You go to Google Chrome on your phone, then you type in the website you want to use to download your font. So there are several websites that can be used to download fonts. So for this video, I'll be using DaFont, DaFont. So DaFont, so that's it. I clicked on it, so it's loading. Now you have to click on the website there, www.dafont.com. So I've clicked on that. Now we're in the DaFont environment, as you can see in the website, and these are the recently added fonts. So I'm going to choose one. I'm going to choose Romance, ROMANS. Romance. So let me choose this one. Then I'll click on the download option there. As you can see, let me show you. You see download. So I click on that to download the fonts. So it's downloading, as you can see there, downloaded already. Then click on open to open the file. So open with what? That is Z-Archiver. Open with Z-Archiver, the second one there from the left. As you can see, now it opens. As you can see, romance.zip. So every file is in zip format. Every file is in zip format, so we use the Z-Archiver to unzip it and install it into Pixellab. So when the download, these are the already ones, downloaded ones already. Now the ones I just downloaded now is romance.zip. As you can see, it's in zip file. So that's it, zip file. So now as you can see, that is the download file there. So for all download files, that's it there. Now step 3, we have to create a folder called my fonts. As you can see, I've already created mine. I've created mine already. So let me teach you in case this is your first time. So click on those 3 dots at the top there. When you click on it, then click on create. Let me show you, that's it there. Create. When you click on create, then new folder. You click on new folder. Then you type my font. So when you are done typing my font, you click on OK. So you click on OK. So that is how I created my own there. As you can see, my fonts. So now let us extract the file. So you click on download. When you click on download, as you can see, then you click on romance.zip. Just tap on it, click on it. Then you have different options. As you can see, you have view, you have extract here, you have extract to, we have extract, then we have test, then you have compress. So these are the different options, but we are going to choose one out of it. So what we are going to choose is extract. Just click on that, extract. So I've clicked on that, extract. Then select, then it says select a destination folder. So we are going to go to my fonts. You click on the green arrow facing up, then you scroll to my font. As you can see, my font, then click on my font. Just click on my font, as you can see there. Now you are going to click on that arrow, that icon there. As you can see, that icon rather, that icon. So you click on it just once. So that's step 4. You click on the icon. As you can see, then archive successfully decompressed. That's good. So let us find the decompressed file. That is the file that has been unzipped into my fonts. As you can see, that's it. Romance. It has been unzipped. So that's it, into my font. Now let's go back to Pixellab app. Now as you can see, we are in Pixellab app. Now we want to install the fonts. So you go to fonts, click on fonts. Then when you click on fonts, you click on my fonts. Now step 5. We're in step 5, click on my font. Now this particular icon there, the one having the letter T on it, as you can see, that's it. You click on it. So let me click on that. Now we are going to our files there. Now you click on the 3 dots at the top there. You click on that. You click on the 3 dots there. Then you click on your phone. You click on that's my phone name there. You click on your phone there. Now the next one, as you can see now, is my font. You go to my font. As you can see, you click on my font. So that's it there. So you have to be visible. So click on my font. Then you scroll to Romance. As you can see, that's Romance there. So all you just need to do is just tap the file. Just tap the file. So I'm going to do that now. Well, I've tapped the file. So let me scroll down. So that's it. Romance. That's the 5-step, the easy step on how to download and install a font. So that's it, Romance. So let me show you. That's it. So let us let me see. I think it has 2 different font style. Let me check. Let me see if it has different font style. Oh, the same thing. So then you have to delete one. If it's 2, let me check again. Let me check. I think it's the same thing. Now I have to delete one. So as you can, the dustbin icon there, just click on it. So delete. So it has been deleted. Font deleted. So that's it. So that's how to do that. Now the next step is, let us check it to see how it looks like on the font. So let me type something, or let me check it. Let me go to my font, then scroll, then click on Romance. Then click on Romance. As you can see, click on Romance. So let me see the font. Wow, look at it, it has changed. So that's it, the 5 easy steps on how to download and install fonts into Pixellab app. If you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now. Then click on that icon again, then click on the bell icon for you to get all notifications. Also do well to drop your comment below and share this video across the socials. You can learn more by watching more tutorials, as you can see on your screen right now, or videos, so as to understand better on any related videos to these fonts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.